Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back to my channel. This is Gina, and to all my returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Hope you are having a great day. And if you are new here and you like to shop, you've come to the right place. So hit that subscribe button, and we're going to go into and check out the Dollar Tree. Now, we all know that these probably are not a dollar anymore. Hopefully they're still a dollar, but the Dollar Tree, everything has gone up to $1.25. And so it's kind of one of the things you think. Now, when everything was a dollar, it was such a great price. Now that everything is $1.25, does it still hold that value? Because there's a lot of other stores that you would maybe perhaps find for 99 cents, 98 cents. And I'm talking about like with Walmart and even some special deals at Target. So let's go ahead and go through and see what we could find. Now, look at all of these different eggs. Now, these are seashells. If you have a little girl who loves mermaids and say she's having like a mermaid party, check this out. This doesn't have to be Easter. You could totally use these for, birthday parties. So there's so many of those different eggs. Definitely want to check those out. And for $1.25, they actually do have some value. Now, here are some cute little items. These are little ice tray cubes. These are bunny butts. And I see so many of those this year. Little coasters, little toothpicks. But the thing about Dollar Tree is that you still find some unique items. I mean, I do like these straws. And once in a while, I would find these. I used to be able to find these in the dollar spot at Target, but I haven't seen those for so long. So finding those for $1.25, actually, that's a pretty good value. Now we're gonna kind of check over, see. Yeah, there's some more of the straws. Yeah, they had purple. Here's a pink. They had like a light blue. They have some towels, and those are cute for decorative. They weren't really they didn't feel like absorbent. They look more for decor. Even these little, what are these? Oh, these are little clear dishes, and those are cute. Those would be cute to fill with candy. There was a set of 2, but I would do like pre-wrapped candy. Happy Easter. Now these were like floor mats. These are the thinnest floor mats I've ever seen. So I would prefer to say that those are more decorative, but cute than for $1.25. Now, even the baskets. Now, are the baskets still a good value for $1.25? Absolutely, yes. You could go, there's a lot. So, Easter's still a couple of weeks away. There's still so much to choose from. I mean, I have never seen so many eggs. I mean, I honestly, they've come like a little bit more popular, but every year, this is the first year I've seen. I mean, those are unicorns. Again, those could be used for birthday parties. And what are those little animals? Those are more of the seashells, or especially if you're doing like a beach theme party. Now, these signs are always so cute. And I think these signs for $1.25, absolutely a great value. Kind of go through this ice chest. This ice chest is absolutely adorable, and these styrofoam ice chests actually are one of the best ones out there. You can use that to line another ice chest as well. So $1.25 is still good value. Now this is a little hummingbird feeder. I always wanted one of those, but in my luck, they always attract more ants. We have so many ants. We're here in Southern California, and it's just ants. I always have to be careful with the ants. Now, like I said, we're in Southern California. Our warmer weather is here. We are having 90-degree weather. Last week was cold. This week is 90 degrees, and next week is supposed to cool back down again. And that's just kind of how it is here in California, especially Southern California. But look at all the nice, summer stuff is out. Oh, I love these little spinning wheels. Those are always so cute, so pretty. They have a lot to choose from. And these are cute, kind of, decorate the yard. Now, are they worth $1.25? I haven't seen them too much cheaper, even when they were $1. Dollar Tree is one of the only stores I actually could really find this type of items. So that's one of the things that does make the Dollar Tree unique. They still have items that you could only find at the Dollar Tree. I mean, check these out. These are really nice. $1.25. if you're doing little potting, have little plants around, perhaps in an area that you don't want a ceramic pot, those are, yeah, they're all plastic, but those are fine. And these are comes like, now those are the bigger ones. You have 3, there's 6. There's another set of 4. So for $1.25 for those are actually a pretty good price. Once in a while you can find them on sale at Lowe's or Home Depot, but the Dollar Tree to me is like almost like the easiest place because you just go in and grab them and get out. Here are these are little fillers for your basket. You had Play-Doh, little wind-up chicky, slime. Oh goodness. I know every kid loves slime. Every parent does. Most parents do not. It's just because it gets everywhere. I was cleaning my daughter's room and I felt like, what is this? It looks like dried up Play-Doh. But look at all the fun games. And these are fun little basket, like Silly Putty. I still remember doing Silly Putty as a kid with comics. Now, I know kids today are like, not many comics are out because everybody used to get the paper. Not everybody gets the paper nowadays. Now there's that Trouble game, but that's not the same as what we've seen before. And so fun little trinkets. I mean, like I said, you can still go into the Dollar Tree, still find some unique items that, it's like, is it worth $1.25? Oh yeah. And just like, we know prices have gone up everywhere. What is that? Oh no. And all these little fidget poppers, which the kids love. But these are cute. These are cute. I think these are, oops, I'm gonna pick that up. Cute for little toddlers. What's that? The little chickie. All these little stuffed animals. Always adorable. Now, this is something unique. $1.25. This is absolutely great. It's for Mardi Gras. And look at all of these masks. These masks are actually really beautiful. And for $1.25, if you're, and it's just like, yeah, I know, like that's more, I would say like Mardi Gras, but some of those masks are beautiful that you could, buy early for Halloween. If you're having some kind of, if somebody who's having a costume party. I mean, those are absolutely fun. I'll try to put that one in the right place. And it wasn't working. There's a lot of masks here. Now this could have been a delayed shipping, as we know Mardi Gras already passed, but those are still gorgeous. That was like more of a light blue. They had a pink, a red, a golden black. So that was very interesting. Those were really good for $1.25. So you look at kind of like your toiletries items. Like, are these still $1.20? You have to always kind of double check. Can I find this cheaper somewhere else? And that's where the Dollar Tree is going to struggle on some of their items. Now take a look at some of these items. Now this is interesting. Like I said, Dollar Tree will always have something that I have never seen before. And this is one of them. If I could get some of this stuff, like, okay. This is a lip scrubber. I have never heard of that. I usually just take a washcloth to do it, but to have an actual like little wand that does that was interesting. So like I said, there are definitely some one-of-a-kind items at the Dollar Tree. Now, like some of these, like the cotton balls, yeah, you could probably find, like the eyeshadow. You could probably find some of these, at Walmart for like 98 cents. The makeup cleaner, that was a makeup brush cleaner, really good value. Some of the wedges, those wedges I don't see very often, so definitely want to grab those if you still use those. I know a lot of stuff was like the little surrounds, the sponge. Let's see what else. Now the toothpaste, I find that the toothpaste is still a good value. And this is not like off-brand toothpaste. This is Crest Whitening. You have Colgate, and they're not the mini tube size that you would like get free at the dentist. These are pretty good size toothpaste tubes. I mean, like I said, these are bigger brands. The Colgate, the Crest, and those are the two main brands. I mean, here's one like the Pro Health, and that's actually Like I said, a toothpaste has gotten expensive just at the store. I mean, it's almost like you used to be able to get toothpaste for like 99 cents, like the smallest size at the store. But nowadays they're like about 2.99 and up. So if you use like the Colgate or the Crest, and even this kid's Crest, my dentist gave my daughter that. She actually likes it because she was particular about her toothpaste. She really like the strawberry. She didn't want to do mint, so she got that sample that she liked. I'm like, okay. Now, like even the soaps. Now, to be honest with you, like the soft soap you can find for 98 cents at Walmart. So for these soaps for $1.25, you're actually going to save money at Walmart buying them there. And now some of the hair products, like the scrunchies, those, depending on where you get them, those could get, kind of expensive. But so if you were needing $1.25 is actually, it's a good value here. And sometimes you can find the brand is called Goody. And so that is because those could get pricey. And hair brushes, for $1.25, that's not too bad, especially if you want one for like your travel case. Of course, I know I'm not going to find the boar bristle brush that I use, but I mean, just, to travel. And then glassware. Yeah, these are like pint glasses. These are really good for crafters. Even at $1.25, those are still like if you're, wanting to do something like with a craft or just having some wine, not wine glasses. These are like more pint glasses, but not just, for beer. You can use those for anything, for any kind of drink. $1.25 is still a good value. Yeah, even like the towels like that. These margarita glasses were no joke. Those were heavy. So for $1.25, that's absolutely still a good value. What are these? So really, now these are pretty. These are real glass bowls. And like I said, for $1.25, that's still a pretty good price. You find this is a set of 4. Now that's absolutely a good price. The little clear, like little dipping dishes, and then little canisters. Those are mini little canisters. They're only about 4 inches tall. But for $1.25, those are actually still a good price. Glass bowls. Let's see what else we have. And even some of this dishware. Like the red, yeah, like I said, these are little, like this is a red, like little ceramic bowls. So if you, putting a set together, you have a new home and, you have a tight budget, you could still have pretty much an almost matching set for that price. Now, let's see. Oh yeah, you even have the matching mugs. I'm trying to think of like sometimes you get like a salad plate that might be below. Now these, the condiment squeezes, those are really good for sometimes crafting, especially if you're a resin. I don't know if those are like BPA free, so I'm a little hesitant about with the food, but like I said, if you're in the pinch and you do need those for like condiments or anything, $1.25, that's actually not a bad price for those two. Contact paper, I absolutely do like that in some of the spots, especially sometimes you have those cabinets. And then those are not even down, but I did buy some of those recently. Those like little space savers, those are good. Now these, you could argue, say, yeah, you could probably find these cheaper, but Dollar Tree is like the only place that I absolutely could find these. Some of those have lids on them, like a clear lid underneath of them. So whenever you're like, if you're doing some kind of event or you're going to somebody, you don't want to bring your best cake pan. Of course, these are little, there's 5 of them, little bread pans if you're doing, if you're making little bread loaves to give away. Dollar Tree is one of the places that I know has this. I've shown in a Costco business where they have like the little buffets. That's a good place. Now, even the cake mixes, you can still find these even at Target and Walmart on sale for like $1. So the $1.25, not the best price. Even these frostings, these are little tubs. These are not the average tub frosting that you would find in the store. So yeah, look at that. So I don't think those would be good value. I'd definitely be buying those at other stores, like the Celeste pizza. That's actually pretty decent. Now sometimes you can find those on sale for $1, but most of the time. And then of course these, I love the Snickers one. I haven't had it for so long, but that used to be my favorite ice cream. Those are little mochis for $1. Well, it's cheaper than Whole Foods, I'll tell you that. Cool Whip for $1.25. Now here, even in the crafts items, now like I said, if you could go to Lowe's and buy a piece of wood and cut it up, yes, definitely for less, yes. If you have the skills or the equipment to do that. But if not, $1.25 for the wood, it's more convenient. But these, I actually do like these. These have cork. These have it's adhesive back. Dollar Tree is the only place I could find those. I like those for coasters or bottom of items that you don't want to scratch your surface, or you could cut those to any way you need them. Here are more little boards, to cut up like for crafts. So the crafting items, yes, there are some really good unique finds. And even the soaps, I have to admit, like the Comet, you could find that for $1 at Walmart. Even some of these, like the little smaller wash dish soaps, you could find those for $1, like the Dawn. Those I find at the Target and Walmart for $1. So everybody, I hope you had a great time walking through with me here at Dollar Tree. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later. So take care.